Hi, I'm Mike Sokol from RV Electricity, and in this video we're going to show you the Renogy 3000 watt inverter that we're using in this package. You can see right here, this is a pretty big and heavy thing. It does have a pass-through automatic transfer switch, which I think will really simplify things if you're running a 30 amp RV. So basically you plug all of your 30 amp power coming into this, all of this comes out, hooks into your load center, and bada bing, you can run most everything that you could want to run off of this within the limits of your batteries. Now, also, one of the things that I've chosen for a 3000 watt rather than a 2000 is you have now upgrade potential. If you would like to, you can always add 2 more batteries to this. So you could go to 400 amp hours of batteries if you like. You could also go to more solar panels if that's your thing. So this is really a base install system that you can upgrade in the future if you want. So I'm trying to future-proof all of this for you and keep this as simple as possible. Okay, in the next video we're going to open this up. I'm going to show you the inner workings.